Hello everyone, Karan here from TechRevs, and today we are going to look at a gaming keyboard by HP which is called the K500F. Let's have a look at it, shall we? Why don't you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing content. This is the HP K500F. This whole back plate over here that you see, this is all completely made out of metal. All of these keycaps are made out of plastic. There are these ridges that help you elevate this keyboard to a certain degree. Coming to this part over here, this comes in two different colors, as you can see, white and gray. Now, okay, it's called a gaming keyboard, but every single aesthetic that they have made for this whole keyboard is geared towards a gamer, would attract a gamer, but I would sort of concur that, and I would say that this exactly isn't a gaming keyboard, but made to be felt like a gaming keyboard. Let me tell you what I mean. The keycaps that you see over here, these are completely removable. As you can see, you can easily then just fit them back in, and there you go, all back and smooth. So this whole thing is removable, and then underneath there are these white membranes basically that you can just fill, and you can the best thing is that you can replace these at any time. Whenever you feel that these are getting faded, you can replace these. Now, for a price of 1100 or 1200 rupees at best, depending on the time when you're buying it, you really cannot, even right now, for any brand, find a keyboard, actually, let alone a gaming keyboard, find a keyboard that has a LED backlight with such good colors and with the whole metallic deck that you see over here, that is actually really good build. Printing on the keyboard, that's a bit of a challenge area. The printing, I feel, could have been more better. I feel that these colors, are too bright and they don't look that good. They could have been easily in the caps key over here and then the numlock key over here. So that is a preference thing, and that is something different. Everyone would prefer a different thing. But whenever you're pressing caps key over here, and when you're sitting at a eye level and when you're typing, especially with these raised ridges, it can feel a bit difficult actually having to type and then see whether that caps lock is on or not. So that is about it. This is of course not wireless, it is a wired keyboard. I use this for the purpose of gaming, but I would definitely not recommend this gaming keyboard for the purpose of fast AAA 144Hz gaming, something like CSGO or Fortnite or even PUBG. I can easily recommend this for something like a 60 FPS gaming experience, which is actually quite suitable for this, but anything beyond that is something which I would be quite hesitant towards. Let me just show you a little bit of gaming that I do on this. We are checking out GTA 5 right now. Let me just show that to you. So we are going to play GTA 5 a little bit, and I'll sort of keep the camera over here so that you can see what's happening on the screen and what the input I'm putting over here, right? So we are playing as Kevin. Alright, perfect. So let's just start and let me get into my car. Alright. Okay, caps lock. So that's the thing, there is some learning curve to this keyboard, in the sense that you do end up pressing some wrong keys sometime. So there's a little bit of that, but to be honest, I don't know whether that's much of a keyboard problem or that has to do with this keyboard really being bad, or that this probably there's an issue with my usage of this keyboard, or maybe I need to learn a bit better. Okay. So you really can't show off much actually over here. So space is your handbrake, and then okay, let me just leave from here. Sorry, F is the button. There's a little bit of learning curve. Let's get this sports car. It's looking really fresh. Well, this is really cool. This car. I think I'll go and save this actually. Yeah, so the keyboard is fine. Actually, for gaming, it's fine. Again, like I said, probably I would not go 144 Hz with this. But anything below that, I mean at 60 FPS, 70 FPS, this should be sufficiently fine. Probably not for competitive shooters, but then I don't expect any competitive shooter gamer to buy this. I would expect that person would buy instead maybe something that is a mechanical keyboard. For a starter, someone who's just learning off, who's just starting to game and everything, this is a perfect thing actually. This is a perfect tool because it really doesn't cost that much. And I mean, I'm having a pretty amazing time actually playing this somewhat. Although I'm not playing a very competitive game. Let me just save this over here. Alright, cool, we got this car now. This is how the keyboard is for typing experience and how it sounds like when you're typing. So definitely this gaming keyboard is not much for typing. Actually, my typing speed has actually decreased after starting to use this, and I'm making more errors when I'm using this keyboard. But it's geared more towards gamers, and this keyboard I can definitely say is all frills and not much else. So if you want all this RGB, all this color, a good looking keyboard actually, and this metallic finish over here for the front plate, and don't care for much else, beyond aesthetics, I think this keyboard is solid for you. For 1100, you really can't get anything much better than this. You can get some really horrible looking keyboards for 1000, 1100 from brands like HP and others, but I'm so happy that HP has come out with this sort of keyboard. If I would have it, I would give it at least 4.5 out of 5 rating. Not for the fact that it's very good, for the fact that it looks so damn good, and while not being terribly bad. So that is huge praise for me. So if you want to buy this keyboard, guys, check out the links in the description down below. You should have it. And shout out. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Take care. See you in the next one.